Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to do a review of simple multiplication that you guys practiced in grade 3, no doubt. And this is something that we're going to use later in a future lesson where we're multiplying larger numbers. And for example, also in grade 5, even larger numbers again. So the practice that you do right now does pay off in the future. So we're going to do this in 2 rounds. The first round we're going to do slowly, where you're counting your fingers, you're doing mental math, whatever method works for you, that's fine, no problem. And we're going to go through the numbers slowly, and then we'll do it again, but quicker. And the idea is that you'll be able to, with enough practice, be able to do all of these multiplications in a quicker manner. And this pays off in the long run. And so, yeah, let's get started. So 2 times 6, 12. 5 times 4, 20. 8 times 3, 24. 9 times 2, 18. 8 times 8, 64. 6 times 7, 42. 7 times 9, 63. 3 times 4, 12. 2 times 9, 18. 10 times 3, 30. 9 times 4, 36. 5 times 8, 40. 4 times 4, 16. 2 times 4, 8. 3 times 7, 21. Nine times 6, 54. 5 times 5, 25. 12 times 10, 120. 6 times 8, 48. 7 times 6, 42. 4 times 7, 28. 8 times 11, 88. 2 times 5, 10. 9 times 3, 27. 8 times 7, 56. 11 times 4, 44. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 8, 32. 7 times 7, 49. 9 times 9, 81. And 4 times 6, 24. So go ahead and go back to the beginning of this video if you want to practice slowly again. It's a good idea if you're having troubles with a couple of them. That's no problem. And so now we're going to do it again, but faster. So 2 times 6, 12. 5 times 4, 20. 8 times 3, 24. 9 times 2, 18. 8 times 8, 64. 6 times 7, 42. 7 times 9, 63. 3 times 4, 12. 2 times 9, 18. 10 times 3, 30. 9 times 4, 36. 5 times 8, 40. 4 times 4, 16. 2 times 4, 8. And 3 times 7, 21. Nine times 6, 54. 5 times 5, 25. 12 times 10, 120. 6 times 8, 48. 7 times 6, 42. 4 times 7, 28. 8 times 11, 88. 2 times 5, 10. 9 times 3, 27. 8 times 7, 56. 11 times 4, 44. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 8, 32. 7 times 7, 49. 9 times 9, 81. 4 times 6, 24. So go ahead and practice that over and over again until it becomes really easy for you. And I'll see you guys in the next lesson.